Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is Tuesday. It's late in the evening actually. The news from the interest rates from United States came out about 2 hours and a half ago. I've been waiting for this news to come out for quite a while actually. In fact, it's the reason as of why I didn't take any trade. I've been, I was hoping for, for the news to be released, and from that see the market reaction in order to search for a possible long entry on the euro or a short entry on the Swissy. And that would be a long-term position actually, in line with the long-term American dollar bearish trend that we've been seeing. If we zoom out, for example, on the daily chart or even the weekly chart, we can clearly see a very bearish trend against the American dollar compared to other currencies. Like I'm saying, in this case, I would be interested in a possible long entry on the USD. On the euro against the USD, based on, like I say, on this uptrend that we've been seeing throughout the last few months. Actually, what I'm liking is the fact that if we zoom into the if we zoom out to the monthly chart, and then we zoom out a little bit longer, we have this previous historical high right there in the 1994, somewhere around there, working as a maximum, the historical maximum for this currency pair. It got reached a couple of months ago, and now if we zoom into the daily chart, we can clearly see, let me expand that out, we can clearly see that it's been retested from above. Like I said, this is the breakout that we saw a couple of about a month ago. This breakout I'm talking about. Then we've been seeing throughout the last couple of weeks a retracement channel to retest that 145 double low level, 145.50, somewhere around there. Okay, from above, it held the retracement, and from there we've seen a bounce up. All right. Furthermore, if we zoom into the 4-hour time frame now, we've been clearly seeing a retracement trend line. Okay, actually, as I was mentioning, it's a retracement channel that got broken. Okay, this upper band of the retracement channel got broken yesterday. Today we've seen the retracement back to retest this the former double top from above, and what I would like to see is this level holding, all right, the 146.50, this level holding the former, as I'm saying, the former channel top, and from there I'd like to see tomorrow, now that the news are actually out of the way, and there's been basically no surprise. The 0.25% interest rate cut was actually priced in. The market had already discounted it, and it was already priced in the charts. So there's been no surprise on the announcement, and therefore all the conditions are probably being priced in, and therefore I see no reason as of why the long-term trend, okay, this uptrend or bearish for the American dollar, if it resumes now that we've gone through that last pullback I was mentioning before, retesting from above the former historical high, and now that we've broken in the 4-hour time frame that retracement channel, as soon as we break above this breakout thrust here, I'm talking about the 147.50 level, as soon as if we break, if we go back, if we keep on going up now, and taking out this 147.50, I will seek to enter long on the euro against the USD. Like I'm saying, that will be a long-term position. All right. Of course, if it keeps plummeting down, I would consider this breakout basically not pulling through, and therefore I have to cancel, at least for the time being, this setup. Like I'm saying, what I'd like to see from here is, well, this level, the 146.50 level, holding, and from that, from tomorrow, seeing the euro gaining ground against the American dollar once again, taking out today's high, and from there I'll search to enter long on this currency pair. Another setup that I'm liking is actually the same setup, just the other way around, due to the correlation between the Swissy and the euro. It's basically the same thing. Firstly, if we zoom into the daily chart, we can clearly see a downtrend, okay, and also as per the last few weeks, we've seen this retracement, okay, this pullback back to what I call the dynamic area of resistance. Also, as just as I was mentioning before on the euro, if we zoom out on the if we zoom out into the monthly chart, we see a former double bottom, okay, this double bottom I'm talking about, all right, being broken. It was broken last week, and now it's actually let me mark that out. Let me go back into the monthly chart. From there, let me mark that double bottom, okay, right there. And if we go now into the daily chart, we can see that it's been retested, okay, from below. It's overshot a little bit, but not too much really. You cannot expect prices to, you know, retracements and levels of support and resistance to hold the pullback right to the peak. It's overshot a little bit, but nonetheless, if I see that this retracement trend line I am marking right now in red gives way, and we you know, this this pullback ends, and basically we bounce, we turn around into the downside, I will be searching for short entries as soon as we breach this retracement trend line to the downside in the 4 hours time frame, okay. I'm seeing, you know, 3 consecutive peaks, all right, right below the 113.50, all right, this triple top there. Price cannot really push through the 113.50. From there, it's retracing back down. As I was saying, what I'd like to see is a breakout of this retracement trend line, and from there, I will be searching for short entries, you know, for a long position. Sorry, a long-term short position, all right. A trade that would probably, you know, I would probably be holding until the end of the year, okay, until the Christmas break, if it is to actually give me an entry, right. I will have to reassess the situation tomorrow, and over the following days. At the end of the day, like I'm saying, this is a long-term trade, and therefore it will take a little bit to unfold, but nonetheless, that's basically my trade plan. On the Swissy C price not breaching this 113.50 level, and on the euro, basically the same thing, just the other way around, upside down. I like to see this today's high being taken, okay, this level holding the this current move to the downside that we've been seeing today. Like I'm saying, as soon as the euro keeps on or begins to gain some ground against the American dollar, I will search for long entries on this currency pair, all right. Alright guys, that's basically what I've been following today. Okay, I've been mostly sitting on my hands, waiting for the news to come out. It has come out. It's now out of the way. We had the interest rates for the euro last week, also for many other currencies: the sterling pound, the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar, and also the Canadian dollar. Today we've had the interest rates announcement for the American dollar. We have all the interest rates news releases out of the way, and now, well, I think we have green lights, or I personally have green lights to begin to to search for new opportunities, new trading opportunities before the Christmas break, like I say. Alright folks, that's all for today. I will be keeping you updated on these two setups. Hopefully they will unfold the way I want, and therefore I'll get an entry, but nonetheless, like I say, I will keep you updated. Okay, bye bye.